Okay, the kitty, let's start the game. It's red, purple, green, or pink. Okay, it has chosen this pretty purple. Let's unpack it. Can you guess what's inside? Oh, it's a cat, a yellow cat. Let's see what else. It's a rabbit, a white rabbit. Our fireman is happy. It's a rabbit. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The kitty has chosen this red, pretty red color. Let's unpack it. It's a cock, a red cock. Okay, now these two are left, the green and the pink. And let's see which the kitty will decide now. Okay. Okay, it has decided green color. So let's unpack it. Can you guess what's inside? So let's see. Oh, it's a butterfly. A nice, pretty yellow, black, and green butterfly. Yes. And here's the fireman. Okay, now the last one. It's a pretty pink color. Let's see. Can you guess what's inside this last one? Let's see. Oh, it's a sheep. It's a yellow sheep. And let's see what else. Oh, there are 3 animals. Let's see which is the second. It's a horse. A brown horse. Let's see which is the third one. And a swan. A gray swan. So these are all the animals. Our 2, horse, swan, sheep, butterfly, cat, rabbit, cock, kitty, and our fireman.